Hi friends, I hope you are back from a great weekend and you are ready to learn. So for today's science experiment, we're going to talk about things that are magnetic and non-magnetic. What does it mean when something is magnetic? Do you know? How many of you have a refrigerator at home? Has all your food and stuff inside? Do you have magnets on your fridge that hold paper, some of your artwork maybe, or important papers on your fridge? I know I do. So something that is magnetic is something that pulls things closer to it and sticks to it. Normally it's a type of metal. So for this activity, we're going to learn some objects that are magnetic and are not magnetic. So for this experiment, you need something to hold some Easter eggs in, some plastic Easter eggs. You're going to find objects to put inside of the Easter eggs. Moms and dads, the surprises inside can be magnetic or non-magnetic, maybe a little of both. 2 bowls, I have 2 lids just so it's easy for you to see, and a magnet. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my magnet and I'm going to pick an egg. Does my egg stick to my magnet? It does. Do you think it's magnetic or non-magnetic? You're right, it's magnetic. So I'm going to put it on my plate that I'm putting my magnetic objects. Let's try another one. Is my egg sticking to my magnet this time? No, so I'm going to put it on my non-magnetic plate. Let's try another one. Is it sticking to my magnet? Non-magnetic. Does it stick? Non-magnetic. We have a lot of non-magnetic objects. How many do we have so far? 1, 2, 3. How many magnetic objects do we have? Just 1. Let's see if we can find some more. Do we have another magnetic object? Yes, we do. Ooh, I found another magnetic egg. I'm going to put it with my magnetic objects. I found another one. Magnetic. Here's my last egg. Ooh, it sounds like the other magnetic eggs, but does it stick? It is non-magnetic. Okay, so I'm going to move my basket out of the way. Let's count our magnetic eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 magnetic eggs. Let's count our non-magnetic eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 magnetic eggs and 4 non-magnetic eggs. Let's learn what objects are magnetic. So I'm going to open my eggs and show you what's inside. Ooh, keys. Keys are magnetic. Let's see. Do they still stick even though they're not in the egg? They are magnetic. Let's try another one. Ooh. What did I find in this egg? Paper clips. Things to hold paper together. Paper clips are magnetic. Let's try this egg. Twist ties, some things to hold your bread together. Twist ties are magnetic. They have some metal inside. Ooh. What do we have here? Some screws. Screws are magnetic. They are made of metal. So let's see what non-magnetic objects we have. Ooh. A piece of candy. Is candy magnetic? No, still not magnetic. Let's try another one. Ooh, what is this? Toilet paper. Is toilet paper magnetic? No, there is no metal in toilet paper. Here's our egg that sounded like some of our magnetic things. What's inside? Some money. Is money magnetic? No, it's not magnetic. Even though it sounds like some of our magnetic objects, it is not. And our last object, some of our girls. Hair ties. Are our hair ties magnetic? No. So we learned about a bunch of different objects that are magnetic, so they get pulled towards the magnet, and objects that are not magnetic. I would like you to try it at home to find some objects to see if they stick to a magnet and that they are magnetic, and some objects that maybe don't stick to a magnet because they're non-magnetic. And I'd like you to tell your mommy and daddy some objects that you found that you did not learn about today that are magnetic and non-magnetic. Post down below if you find some interesting objects that you didn't know before. And I will see you guys later. Bye!